everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at the pricing and value for Tab9. This software, this is AI developer software. It's really good, but in 2025 there's been a big change. Yes, the biggest change is that they have retired the free basic plan. Yes, as you can see here, there is no basic plan anymore. There's no free plan, so it has been retired. Now, the official post explains the rationale for the shift and how users could transition to paid plans. So, from what they said, for current, they have their reasons, but for current seats pricing and plan features, so you have to check here now. Is the only way to get the current one. As you can see, we have the Tabnine agentic platform. We pay $59 per user for a month. So there's no play plan anymore. There's no free plan. I mean, you have to actually pay. And for annual subscription, $59 per user per month. So if you want to get a quote, you can click here. But it's not a good thing to get, which you get coding assistance and coding agents. Here you go. You get all the awareness, security, really good one. Deployment flexibility, steerability, you can see. You get support, priority ticket based support during business hours, unlimited usage when using your LML. So it's really good. It is the original AI coding platform developed by millions of developers and thousands of companies. But unfortunately, the free plan is no longer available, but you can start with them if you want. So my advice for budgeting tip is that calculate per seat cost plus any add-ons instead of the current pricing page. And if you are using SaaS, then for private and on-prem, that is include Kubernetes ops, compute, CPUs, GPU storage, observability and upgrade validation cycles. Model capacity planning is a real-time item, not a footnote. For enterprise rollout, allocate time for security review, legal compliance, and developer onboarding. These often drive seat costs during the first quarter. So that's my budgeting tip for you. So, hope you found this video helpful.